Allora, oggi abbiamo ospite al nostro Hot Corner uno dei grandi nomi di Venezia 77, Michel Franco, che sta stupendo un po' tutti col suo Nuevo Orden. Grazie per essere qui, Michel.
Grazie a lei.
Come va?
Sono contento, sì.
Sei molto felice della reception del film?
Sì, è stato bene ieri.
Tu parli però bene italiano?
Ma no.
Sì, un po'
Smettila,
sì.
no?
Un po' sì, è andata bene ieri.
No, sì, è andato bene. Un anno strano anche per la Covid, però sono contento che della possibilità di attendere al festival, della premiere.
Ieri parlavamo con Dario e Diego e loro dicevano che è bello essere qui, portarlo qui.
È importante anche, è bello e importante anche perché during the whole, the lockdown, I think we missed certain things, and cinema and culture. Of course, this year it's not a red carpet sensation, but and that's important too. I'm not saying it's not, but it's way more important, and I think we learned that to have new movies and to open discussions. And I think movies can help us understand who we are, and the lockdown was like being in darkness.
Yes, absolutely. You wrote the movie 4 years ago, but actually it's very modern. It's like
it turned out to be quite timely.
It's unbelievable, the scene of the hygiene. How do you say when they wash
on the bus?
Yeah.
Yes. To me, that's a very sad moment in the movie because they are treated with with very little respect. So to me, that scene more than the hygiene, it's about that. Okay. But it ended up being like part of today's world.
Yeah. Where did you get the idea of the first sparkle?
I remember while shooting or preparing Chronic, before shooting, talking with Tim about my need to make a movie about the rise of totalitarianism, fascism being back in fashion. Especially, I was thinking more about Europe. And then I realized I wasn't gonna try and make a movie in Europe, so I thought about how it translated to my own reality, to my country, but that was six years ago.
Was it difficult to cast? How did you choose Diego Boneta, for example?
Dario, Nayan, Monica, and many others. I wrote the parts for them specifically.
Okay. On the screenplay.
Sí.
Already.
Yeah, like Marianne is Nayan, Marianne, so even, I think that's why, my creativity it's very limited. And Diego, I was in a party. Diego is a huge star in Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico is like.
Sí, but I hadn't seen him act because I don't watch series and the Hollywood movies that he makes. It's not my necessarily the type of movies that I follow. But we were talking in a small gathering in a producer's house, one of my friends, and he's charming guy.
Yeah.
And suddenly I was under his spell, and by the end of that evening, I knew I wanted to rewrite, the character for him, without ever seeing him act or without any kind of casting.
Yeah. Who's your favorite director? Your favorite movies? If you have one,
From today or from
your main inspiration? Let's say.
If I have to pick one, is Buñuel.
Oh,
Luis Buñuel, because
that makes sense.
Yeah, hopefully. He's fantastic. He went from silent cinema to modern cinema. He went from comedy to drama comedy. He did everything at the same time, and Viridiana might be my favorite of his movies.
Thank you very much, Michel Franco, per essere qui, grazie mille, buon viaggio e buona fortuna per il film che uscirà poi con I Wonder in Italia, ricordiamolo, che noi lo vediamo in Italia. Grazie Michel.
Grazie.
Ciao.
Piacere.